Want to repost on TikTok? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily repost on TikTok. First thing first, head over to your application TikTok. Make sure that you are logged in into a specific account. Once you're in the For You page, scroll down and move into any of the video that you want to repost. Let's say that you want to repost this video. All you gotta do is click on the share icon. At the bottom, you can see repost. Click on it. Tap on OK at the bottom of the screen. There you go, the video has been reposted. If you click on it, you can also add the caption to it. Click on Say Something. You can write anything you want to and then click on Add. There you go, the text has been added to your repost. In order for you to check it out, head over to your profile. Click on this repost icon. And in this page, you will be able to see all the reposts that you have made on TikTok. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.